know that sounds crazy, but however he's making this noise, like, echoes, and it's really hard to pinpoint where it's coming from.
He's really loud on the outside as well.
Turned off the flash to see if he makes the noise again. Okay, so basically, we've heard this noise coming from over here for the last few nights, and it's from the same place that snake was. But when we check the hole from the thing we cut with the snake, there's nothing there.
Maybe there's like this, but also this other side.
The second hole at the back. No good.
Is there any way you can just cut it open?
I'm pretty sure even if we take this off, it won't help because... Oh, wait, maybe. Okay, we think he's in that gap there. So, here we go. Can you see in?
Yeah, to see him?
Yeah, should be able to see it.
No.
Really? Nothing. It's that tiny little gap, yeah. No, it should be somewhere there. That is the only place you can be. Oh, it's not in there.
It cannot be you. You can't be that loud.
Okay, I've got no idea what's going on here. It's somewhere in this frame. And the bottom track is literally nothing. It goes straight to concrete. If this door frame is super thin, I don't think you'd be able to get into that. This bit here was our main theory. We wrenched that open last night, and he is 100% not in there. So, unless he's somehow got, yeah, see, there can't be that much room in this frame. That must be like mostly glass and pretty sealed. But it sounds like he's coming from like this area. Like I thought I had him pinpointed, but then he stopped making noise this morning. So I don't know what happened. I couldn't like quite figure out if he was up here or down there.
Is it you?
It's 100% him.
He's not even making a noise.
It's not even him. Where the did he come out of? Where did he just come from?
I thought the mystery had been done.
But where did he come from? Because that's exactly where it is. It's here. I'm sure of it. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. There's one. Get this. Oh, that's it. You bastard. Oh, come on. Okay, there is one there. Is that getting stuck there?
Come on, you can do it.
Damn it.
Turn on that light.
Alright, I might have a theory. Somehow I got her off. Jesus. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh no. This was a mission. You little rascal. Why did you get yourself in such a predicament? Now what are we gonna do?
I don't know. Poke a stick down one end and try and get him out.
He might just be able to get out now if we leave him. Okay. Is that mist? Far out. It's not very misty. I feel like it's gonna blast him. Did you like that or dislike that? Oh.
Maybe he liked it.
I'm gonna leave him at that. Or we could flip the entire door upside down and put this in front of his door. This nice little freshwater bath. There you go. You've been spotted. My apologies. Final quick thoughts. That was such a ridiculous turn of events. This door seems to attract animals. Everything seems to go in there. I suppose the final thing is, was he actually in distress? Or was he just chilling? At least now I know that a frog can get in the frame there. Maybe a fraud expert. Where's our fraud expert at? If they could tell us whether that is actually a sound of distress, or if he's just like super happy of where he is. Although when I sprayed him with water in the face, he also made that noise. So maybe that tells us that it's a distress sound. Anyway, he's a pretty good looking fraud, and he seems pretty chill. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. See us next time.
The door to go back on.
That's true. Surely you can't fit in that gap. Surely. Okay. That's not gonna work.